What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video, a different video today. We're honestly gonna kick it with the homies today. We're gonna show you a little bit around the city here in SF. We are in the Hellcat. We're gonna flick up the Hellcat. I got my camera. Like I said, just come along, kick it with us. Let's get some pictures.
We go on the beat.
We're in the tunnel, we're waiting for traffic to clear up. Let me hear a little rev real quick. Let me hear a little whine. Let me hear a little whine. For the people outside. You think they know it's a Hellcat or not? Nah, huh? I don't think the whine was loud enough. All right, so we got my boy Stanley in the bike. If you guys remember his video, we recently picked up his bike. He is loving it. Got my boy Groovy in his 335i. We're gonna get a quick ticket and then we're gonna slide right in. All right, so we're doing this video, or I'm doing this video just because I feel like sometimes I don't show what the lifestyle is really about. What, you know, going out, taking pictures and hanging out with your team, your boys, whatever it may be, and just vibing, you know what I mean? That being said, I'm gonna give you guys the rundown on my camera setup. And these guys got lost, sorry. Yeah, it's section closed. What? No way. So the first spot we were trying to go to, it says section closed. We're gonna park and we're gonna investigate real quick, so just stick with us. We got the Hellcat out and about. My boy Stanley, he's actually gonna go check because it does say section closed. Hopefully, I mean, I don't know why it's closed. They might close it at a certain time. Groovy is with us as well for the photo shoot. Tell him how to happen, bro.
It's closed right now. We're trying to figure out if we can go upstairs. If we sneak in, we'll keep you guys updated.
We'll keep you guys updated. Let's see what's up. Bro, let me show you guys what it's looking like right now. Here in the city of San Francisco, we get a lot of, I'm gonna say it like, we don't get the rep that we deserve. LA has a huge variety of photo spots and everything, but I feel like this is definitely one for the books. It is a bummer that the M is not here, but we're gonna make it work with the Groovy's 335i, the Hellcat, and the bike. So for the first picture of Groovy, we're actually just gonna back the car into the parking spot, and we're gonna have this, this is the Marriott Hotel, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. Yep, back it up, back it up. Sorry, the Hyatt, the Grand Hyatt. So that's the hotel right there. We're gonna back it up and then bring out the camera and start shooting.
Alright, so Groovy's moving his car since he just finished getting some few shots.
We just flicked up Groovy. Typically he's the one behind the camera. Today it's gonna be me. We are using my boy Omar's camera setup, the Sony AR2. He picked it up a week ago. Fire quality camera. If you're looking to switch to Sony, go for it. And we're shooting with the, what is it, a 28 mil, Omar? Yeah, 28 millimeter f-stop f2. Let's get some more pictures. Let me put you on real quick. Look at that. Tell me that's not a banger picture right there. Follow the IG, he'll probably post some. But if you are single and you like no vegetables, I'm talking about you don't like your vegetables.
Or Italian food.
Or Italian food. Tap in. Tap in. He'll take you on any date. He'll take you on any date. But let's get back to it. You gotta switch up the pose though, Omar. You gotta switch up the pose. So if you need some content for your Instagram page, social media, you gotta switch it up sometimes. You gotta get up in there. Natural stuff. There's the Groovy. You got some on the top of your head, on top of the dome?
Yeah. You got the
look back.
Look back. Then you got the look up to the sky. You're checking out your shoes. You're making sure you got your hand in your shirt. That's a good. There you go. There you go. Model status.
But let's finish up these pictures for Omar. So they're checking out the pictures we took right now. I like this setting right here because you get the backdrop with all the skyscrapers and everything. But I also like Groovy's location right now because the sun is hitting it, giving the car a basically like a reflection type It reflects off the car. We are gonna flick them back up, and then we're gonna get Stanley in the mix for sure. I think I'm gonna have to jump in, get some pictures as well, right before Peluchin makes it here. Quick behind the scenes right now. Groovy Flicks in his natural habitat. Let him know, bro. Let him know. Where to tap in? Where do they tap in?
Groovy Flicks
On IG.
I don't do photography no more.
He doesn't do it no more, but if you're nice to him, he might.
The money's right.
If you're the homie, that's what I'm telling you. That's why the homies give back and we flick him up too. Let him know who takes the best pictures, bro.
Roger, Cruisin' TL.
And who else? Starts with an R.
And Ricky.
Ricky.
Ricky 335.
He will get your shit right.
Best photographer
In the bay, in the bay. All right, so we tossed the camera to Omar. This is his camera, like I said. My camera's still in the car. But let's see how he does for his first day on the job. If not, he's gonna get fired, and we're stripping him of the keys. So here we like to get creative. Who inspired this this pose?
This pose?
Yeah, or this, I guess, shot. Did he get it? Are we stripping him with the keys or what?
We're stripping his keys.
We're stripping his keys, all right. Okay, I guess Omar does have a creative side to him. He parked up next to the plants with the backdrop. Let's flick him up real quick. So we're gonna move the Hellcat real quick. Valiendo, I need the keys closer. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna move the Hellcat. We got some good pictures, but I wanna switch it up real quick. If you guys, well, here's a POV, quick POV. If anyone is looking to get a Hellcat, I will say these cars drive super, super comfortable. I'm vlogging with one hand, so don't mind me. Emergency brakes off. But we're gonna post up real quick. I'm gonna get a different angle for this, and then I'm gonna show you guys where we are for the pictures. All right, so we just parked the Hellcat. Time to model real quick for the camera. Time to model real quick for the camera. I got the cat in the back, city backdrop. Let's get to it. Back to Omar, but with the cat and the city here in San Francisco repping. He's repping his OVO. Why? Because Drake is dropping an album today. So we're gonna have the cat slapping on our way back. These guys are arguing for the spot. Bro, let him know.
Omar is mad because we raced off the line and I took him by 3 cars and he barely caught up.
We got it on video, but we had to delete the footage, huh?
We had to.
Unfortunately, but let's line him up real quick. Cat is moving out the way. Stanley, you got pictures? Oh, yep, face to face would be fire. Peluchin pulled up. So Peluchin is back in action. He just got a fresh paint job. He has the sequential turn signals. Peluchin, let me see the turn signals. Oh, yup. Volkswagen gang. If you guys don't already follow him, give him a quick follow. IG down below. Let's get to shooting groovy. Stanley stalled, but they're trying to figure out this quick face-to-face type picture, or maybe not. What are you guys trying to do?
A V.
Oh, an inwards V. Okay. But yeah, we got the cat right here. Hit the IG. Give us a follow if you don't already do so. The pictures are gonna be on the IG. When are we gonna throw these up?
Tomorrow's Friday, so you need a Friday post.
You do need a Friday post.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Groovy Flick's turn.
Warriors are taking that dub today too.
One more time, sir.
Warriors are taking that dub today.
Hell yeah. OVO is gonna be repping for the Warriors today.
Drake's dropping an album?
And that's what I was saying earlier. Model for me, model for me. Looking down at the shoes. Yeezy gang, even though mine are filthy as hell. Dream big, Groovy, dream big. Right there, hold on. That guy doesn't, that guy, the whole car? Bitch, I'm gonna have to be back, so it's not gonna be a close-up.
Can you move?
Fuck you, bitch.
Tell him, excuse me, sir. We wrapped it up here. We're gonna try to get some rollers. Hopefully the lighting is in our favor. With that being said, like I said, we got some fire pictures. Hit the gram. We're gonna post them, not today. I don't know when the video's going up. Like I said, this is just to catch the vibes and all. Boy, Stanley. But next location. Yeah, I can. Y'all can roll out and then I'll record real quick. Peluchin in the back, Groovy right there. Now, I don't know about you guys, but a big part is definitely pictures. Just because I wouldn't say you show off your build, but you kind of present it to the world. You throw it out there, you put the right hashtags, and you get people who have the same interests in cars and hobbies and all that stuff. I say this because with the YouTube, with the social media, I have people reaching out to me asking about, oh, like when you installed your BC coilovers, what did you do? Did you do this? Did you tips and tricks that I gave them, because they seek out advice how it should be. Like I said, if you guys need tips and tricks on cameras, photos, I'm not a pro. We're not really pros. We just do it because it's fun, quick hobby. With that being said, I'm low on battery. So my camera is pretty much dying. The battery is on its last limb. I didn't expect to vlog, therefore I didn't charge my battery or bring any extra batteries. Shout out to Groovy for souping me as we were rolling out. So, and with that being said, don't forget to like. We just pulled up to the Golden Gate Bridge. We're gonna close out the video here. We popped out to Golden Gate Bridge. Hellcat, Groovy, Penuchin behind me. Basically get some rollers. Follow us on the gram, shout us out. Stanley's up next for pictures. Don't forget Stanley. But like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And keep it authentic, y'all.